welcome to my channel 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, and today I am going to be bedazzling my new Trader Joe's bag. This is the newest ones that they dropped. I was able to get a brown one. I love it. This was my favorite color, so I'm gonna bedazzle it. Let me show you how to bling it. I'm still debating. I know I'm gonna do the logo for sure on both sides. I'm still debating what I want to do with the rest of it. Will I bling it? I don't know yet. We shall see. But like I said, for the meantime, let's begin with this logo, and then we'll see. Let me show you the materials. I'm using my pickup tool, my liquid fusion, and my rhinestones. So remember guys, all materials are always linked down below in the description. If you need anything, go use the links down below. Okay, so these are the rhinestones I am using. It is like a gold tone. It's beautiful. I feel like it would go perfect with the bag. So let's begin. I am using these in a size SS10 and SS6. Remember, they will be linked down below. Okay, so I am going to be starting off at the little line right here. And I'm going to be going in with the 10, this one. In the little corners though, I am using these just because I want to fill in the corner. You guys will see right now. I'm going to apply my liquid fusion, just a nice thin layer, not all the way across, just in this small area because I want my glue to be fresh while I'm working. So like I said, starting off with a 6 right here just at the corner, and now I'm going in with my 10 all the way across, finishing my first section right here that I applied the liquid fusion like that. And now I'm going to apply a bit more, again working by section, and just continuing doing the same thing. Remember to double check your work. Make sure those rhinestones are exactly where you want them to be. Okay, so I am done doing this top line. I'm going to do the same exact thing on this side. Okay, so I am done doing this line. Now it's time to move on to the letters. So here I'm going to be doing one by one, so I have enough time to work with my glue. And I'm still going to be using the 10 for the thicker areas and the 6 for the thin areas. You see right here in the letters. Very easy and very simple. Okay, real quick for this area, I did use a bit of the 12s, for example, right here. Oh, I fell. Because these letters are a bit bigger than the ones on the top, the ones that say Trader. Joe's letters are a bit bigger, so I did add some 12s in here. I'm doing it for the J, O, and S. Okay, so now that I'm done doing the letters, I'm going to do the little copyright logo right here. If you want to leave it like that, you can, but I feel like it kind of needs something, you know, it's just there. So I'm just going to apply liquid fusion all around here. And I'm going to go in just with the size 6 rhinestone. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Okay, so I'm gonna let this completely dry. Please do let it dry before you do the other side because you don't want to mess up these rhinestones. Still debating what I want to do with the rest of the tote. We shall see. Okay, so I am done. I did let the side dry and then I did the other side. So completely done. I decided, remember, if you guys remember, I told you guys, I was like, I don't know if I should bedazzle the rest of it. I'm gonna leave it like this. I think it looks super cute and classy, just a little bling. Now I'm debating if I should make it crossbody. If you guys want to see that video, let me know. But yeah, I'm done for now. I think it looks super cute. I love the bling. I love the beautiful golden color rhinestones I chose. Remember, like I told you guys, materials are linked down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Now you know how to bling your own Trader Joe's totes. Let me know what you think. Leave me a lovely comment down below. And I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs. Bye.